Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use custom fields for progress tracking on Asana. This is your complete 2025 guide to maximizing your productivity and staying on top of your tasks. Let's kick off with step 1, creating your custom fields. Head over to your project settings and click on Add Custom Fields. You can name your field anything you want, but for this tutorial, let's name it Progress. The reason we do this is to create a personalized tracking system that fits your specific project requirements. Now that we've done that, let's move on to step 2, setting field options. I'm sure you are wondering why this is important. Well, this is where you can set the different stages of your progress. For example, you could have not started, in progress, and completed. This helps us because it gives us a clear visual representation of where we're at with our tasks. Our next step is to apply these custom fields to your tasks. Simply click on a task, find the custom field, and set the status. This is crucial as it allows you to update your task progress in real time, fostering better project management. This brings us to step 4, using your custom fields for tracking progress. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana now sorts your tasks based on the status of your custom fields. This is especially useful when you have a large number of tasks, as it helps you quickly identify which tasks are lagging behind and which ones are on track. Finally, let's talk about why all this matters. Custom fields in Asana are a powerful tool for progress tracking. They allow you to stay organized, keep your team informed, and ensure that your project is moving forward efficiently. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to use custom fields for progress tracking on Asana. Remember, the key to successful project management is staying organized and keeping a close eye on your progress. By using custom fields on Asana, you can do just that. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.